Good afternoon to all. I am deeply honored to be invited to speak at this important milestone in your lives. Today is not only a celebration of academic excellence. It is a celebration of the various members of the BU University community, the successful administrators, faculty and staff, the families, parents, relatives, and loved ones, and most especially to the class of 2026, who earned this moment and they deserve to be proud of how far you have come. I would like to request let's all cherish this moment. Can we possibly give a big hand to everybody? The theme of this year's commencement, values-driven workforce, digitally inclined lifelong learners, captures exactly what the world needs today. We need professionals who are not only skilled, but grounded in values. We need citizens who can navigate technology, but who also know how to use knowledge wisely, responsibly, and for the common good. So now that you have graduated, what now? To the graduates, 3 things that you can do. Number 1, find a job immediately. Any job will always lead to another job, a better job. Number 2, take the civil service exam, you review, or board exams, if you may, and immediately work thereafter. And number 3, you further your education. Now, whichever you decide, it's really up to you. Remember, your education has prepared you for all this. There will be a lot of you who will be afraid to take the board exam or the civil service exam. But remember, that is something that you control. You've worked for this, you've learned, you've studied, so take it as soon as you can. Now, you may not realize it. You have prepared yourself for life of service, leadership, and continuous learning. In a world that changes quickly, the most valuable ability is not simply knowing the answers today, but having the discipline and humility to keep learning tomorrow. Let this graduation be not an ending, but a beginning. It is your commencement exercise because it is your start of a new leaf of your life. In brief, the university has taught you where to look for the information when you need it. Do not expect that when you go look for a job, you already know. I say the university has taught you where to look for the information. That is what it has really done. Many of you, if you would have studied as much as you can when you look for a job or when you start a job, to the class of 2026, as you leave this campus, take with you the values that shape you here. Be courageous in uncertainty. Be disciplined in your pursuits. Be humble in success. Be faithful to your purpose. And wherever life leads you, remain lifelong learners, ready to adapt, ready to serve, and ready to lead. To the parents, guardians, and loved ones, this achievement is also yours. Behind every graduate stands a network of people who gave encouragement, patience, sacrifice, and faith. Thank you for helping make this day possible. Don't you think, especially the parents, your graduates will not need you anymore? They need you more, in fact, when they start their new life. To the faculty and staff of Bicol University, thank you for your commitment to shaping not only educated graduates, but principled and capable ones. Your work continues to build a stronger, more resilient nation. Remind them, wherever they are, of your expectations. To the Bicol University community, I certainly hope the country mirrors your achievements here. Our country depends on people like you, informed, values-driven, and willing to use your gifts for the greater good. May you go forward with confidence, gratitude, and hope. Congratulations once again, class of 2026. May God bless you all, and may your journey ahead be one of purpose, integrity, and service. Thank you.